The human mind is a powerful and complex system that shapes perception, memory, emotion, and decision-making. It does not record the world like a camera. Instead, it builds a version of reality from incomplete information, past experience, and current expectations. Two people can witness the same event and remember it differently because attention and interpretation are never exactly the same. Memory is not a single storage box. Short-term memory holds a small amount of information briefly, while long-term memory can preserve knowledge, skills, and personal experiences for years. Even long-term memory is not perfectly stable. Each time a memory is recalled, it can change slightly before being stored again. This is one reason confidence and accuracy do not always match. The mind works with habits to save energy. Many daily actions, from tying a shoe to checking a phone, become automatic through repetition. This efficiency helps people function quickly, but it can also make them less aware of their choices. At the same time, the brain remains highly adaptable. With learning, practice, and experience, it can strengthen useful connections and reduce those that are rarely used. Emotions are not interruptions to thinking. They are part of how the mind evaluates situations, assigns value, and prepares the body to act. Fear can sharpen attention, joy can widen perspective, and sadness can slow activity in a way that supports recovery. Strong emotions can improve focus in some situations and distort judgment in others. The mind also has limits. When too much information arrives at once, attention narrows. Multitasking often feels productive, but it usually means the mind is switching rapidly between tasks rather than doing them simultaneously. This switching can reduce accuracy and increase fatigue. Creativity often appears when the mind connects ideas that were previously separate. Rest, daydreaming, and sleep can all support this process. During sleep, the brain continues to organize information, strengthen memories, and filter what is important. A person may wake with a clearer solution after stepping away from a problem. The human mind is both fragile and resilient. It can be influenced by stress, loneliness, and repeated negative experiences, yet it can also recover, adapt, and grow. Understanding how the mind works does not remove its mystery, but it helps explain why people think, feel, remember, and change in the ways they do.